Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to build an AI chatbot for your website using Tidio with no coding required. So let's set it up. Step 1. Sign up for a Tidio account and connect your website. Step 2. Go to the chatbots section and click add from template or start a new bot. Step 3. Choose the AI FAQ or lead generation bot flow. Step 4. Customize your responses, triggers, and flow using the visual editor. Step 5. Enable AI suggestions powered by OpenAI inside the TDO settings. Step 6. Save and activate the chatbot, then embed the TDO widget on your site. And now, your AI chatbot is live. No code needed. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.